Hi there, Scott Milligan here with SkipperBud's up in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. One of our newest listings is the 2021 Mastercraft X Star. Steps on the front of the trailer here. Red and silver flake with black, beautiful looking boat. Walk all the way around it here for you. Of course, it has the surf system. Does have a breakaway tongue trailer. Here we are on the inside of the boat. See, it's got nice little flip-up seats in the back here. Little steps to get in and out. Does have the radio controls. Nice walk through here. 4 tower speakers. Does have the flip seat. So you can flip and sit backwards. Inside of this boat's in great shape. No rips or tears anywhere in the upholstery. Of course, with the X Star, you get the dual screens. You got a screen here where you can use as a camera. Of course, you get your RPMs. The boat has 117 hours on it. Of course, you got your full screen over here. Phone holder, trash can. We'll trade it for 16. The thing I like about these boats, all your control, battery switch and everything is right here. Beautiful pickle nose fork, plenty of room for up front. Lots of room in the cockpit from here. It does have the clamping board racks. Assisted tower, easy to fold down. This bolster seat for the driver as well. So you got these backrests that pop up here. Nice. Of course, you got nice storage there as well. Swivel racks again. Lots of storage over here. Equipped with a heater as well. So yeah, there you have it. If you have any further interest in this boat or any other boat that we have, please give us a call. We'd be happy to assist further.